This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the clips ready and keeping things organized. That's the first time saver. Import both camera files and any recorder tracks, then place them in labeled bins so you never lose track. Select the two matching takes, right-click and choose Merge Clips. Pick audio if you have no timecode, or pick timecode when it's reliable. This creates a synced master clip. Once done, confirm the merged clip's audio sync by scrubbing a clear transient, like a clap or slate. Now you convert those merged masters into a working multicam sequence so you can switch angles in real time. Create a new sequence using the merged clips, set the correct frame size and frame rate, then enable multi-camera viewing in the program monitor. Play back and watch waveforms and camera angles. Add markers on clear transients for reference. If automatic audio matching stumbles, use your markers or nudge clips a few frames until the waveform peaks. Finish by performing live cuts in multi-camera mode, then tidy trims on the timeline for pacing. Once satisfied, nest or flatten the multicam track to grade and mix. Choose a primary dialogue track and ride levels. Apply slight crossfades to avoid clicks, and check phase when blending two mics. If you notice drift or offset later, pause and verify both clips' frame rates, codecs, and timecode. If nothing else works, resync using manual markers or shift one clip by exact frames until audio peaks realign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.